What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. I know it's been a while and you guys are gonna see an update on a video that seemed like it took forever to do. We finally got the plate back here on the trailer, and we're about to start cutting the plate to fit the trailer. And right now we're working on the welding rig, and we're going to be using the Prime Weld Cut 60. It's got a little bit of dust on it. Yeah, we're going to use this to cut this 1/8 inch plate. That's what I decided to put on my trailer, some 1/8 inch plate, so I can maximize the weight that I can put on the trailer. Instead of wood, I already had the plate, and all I got to do is just cut the plate, and that's why I chose to go with plate. We're going to use the Lincoln Ranger 10,000. So we're trying to get a couple more cut videos going on for you guys with the Prime Cut. Start using a little bit more than what I normally do. Got the Lincoln Ranger right here. What's up, everybody? Hold on. What's up, everybody? It's Welding Machine. So I've been building trailers for a while now. There's my welding trailer. I'm gonna weld the outside, like probably stitch weld the plate on the outside. And normally I would go underneath the trailer and weld the plate to the trailer, but I'm gonna try something new and see how good this works. I don't know. I mean, it's gonna be my first time doing it, but we're gonna see how it works. So the main concept is, if you weld the outside to whatever your frame is, it's the braces in the middle that you mostly want to weld underside of it. But I'm gonna try something out and tell me what you guys think. So I use a plasma cutter to cut these slots in here. I put one here, one in the middle, and one on the end. That way, if I ever got to change the plate, all I do is cut, back gouge the slots out and remove the plate. That way, and then cut the welds on the side of the trailer. That way I ain't got to go underneath the trailer and cut the welds. I'm gonna see how it works. I don't know, I never done this before, so this is gonna be a first for me. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna do the back side, cut some slots where the bracing's at, and we'll keep moving.